oh, damn, this thing looks mean and cool and ambitious. And I'm like, are they really making, like, it just seems, for sure, Stellantis or what used to be Chrysler and what includes Dodge and Ram, they're bananas over there. Because you remember you saw the Challenger EV, which I guess it had a different name. I can't even remember it now. And they're like, yeah, it's going to still have a sound to it. And it's going to be ported through something that's sort of like an exhaust. We're going to tune it and amp up an actual electric sound. They're crazy over there, but crazy in a good way. Because there's no shortage of entertainment. And some people will say it's tacky, and some people will say it's not for me. But that's fine, because you know where I'm at, Will. I like options and I like fun. And this thing looks fun. It looks futuristic and fun, and you're not going to misconstrue it for a gas-powered truck. Now, on the flip side, you have what Ford did with the Lightning. And they said, yeah, you're going to misconstrue it for a regular truck, and that's why you're going to like it, because it just blends in. This one, on the other hand, not blending in. This is the one that people want to shout immediately to the world, I am in the future. I am EV. I saw they're talking about, Will, they were talking about a 7-seat option for this thing.
Wow.
So you would actually have little tiny bucket seats behind the main seats.
Okay.
That you would be able to open up the bed, I think, as well. I think this is a feature they showed off in there, like between the cab and the bed. Mm-hmm. Man, vehicles are just...
With the glass
It's
roof?
the most exciting product segment at the moment.
So cool.
Try to convince me otherwise, Will.
I can't.
You can't convince me otherwise.
Unless it's a flying car.
All types of heads-up display, massive main multimedia display in there. Yeah, this is what I was talking about. Look at that. Will, go back. Look at this. Because I get excited about truck stuff. I mean, I like tech stuff, and I like EV stuff, and I like acceleration stuff and car stuff, but I get excited by truck stuff. And that right there, that clip you just showed, that's truck stuff.
Yeah.
And you sort of know about it because you went Mr. Bronco. You sort of went Mr. Bronco.
Sure.
But then you didn't really go Mr. Bronco because you made the video and you said, well, I'm not really a Bronco. I'm more of a Model 3. Like, that's why. Look at the extending bed up to 18 feet. Look at the truck stuff. Look at the bucket seats. Look at the folding and flapping and the screens, Will. Get excited, Will. I want you to put your order in right now, and I want you to...
How much does this cost?
Get your order in, you understand? Oh my
Give me something
goodness
here.
gracious. 18 foot of cargo with the barn doors on the back and all the seats folding down. This thing is mean and green. It's mean and green.
Oh, God.
I don't know how green. I don't know if it's green or not. They got a kayak in there. They got surfboards. And all the digital things that you want. Look, the product doesn't exist yet. It's in this prototype concept mode. But I think you can tell the excitement is there from me. I would love to check one of these babies out. Oh my goodness gracious. We made it to the end. Thank you very much to everybody that joined here today. Well, really, we owe you guys. And we're going to deliver because... everything is changing around here. The prioritization sequence. Will's going to hold me to it. I promise you that, because he's going to be live before noon every day. Rolling. He's going to be messaging me saying, hey, man, where the hell are you? And you guys are going to be in there piling up, and you're going to be saying, where the hell are you? Let's go. And you know what we're going to do? We're going to go. That's what we're going to do. Thank you very much. Once again, everybody. Thank you for the super chats as well. It's been too long with the live stuff. Community's back. Listen to this. See you tomorrow. Yeah, you didn't.
That sounded nice.
Yeah, you didn't plan for it. See you tomorrow. Later, guys.